Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is a Friday, which means there's a free tutorial Friday, and this one's going to be a little different because it is late at night, but I definitely want to get something up because it is Friday. I had the cutest DIY that I put up earlier, but I promised to get free tutorial Fridays and Technique Tuesdays every Tuesday and Friday. So I wanted to make sure that I got my promise done. So what I'm going to do for this one, instead of doing it like I normally do, I just don't have the time. I'm sorry. It is Christmas. I'm sure you guys are busy too. But I wanted to show you I had such a good time on the bingo, the stamp and sip that we had. It was so great. Of course, true to fashion, something went wrong and the Postal Service did not get out the bingo cards to almost everybody. I mean, it didn't arrive in California, which is about 6 hours away from me, to the address 6 hours away from me. However, the person in New York got it, and the person in Florida got it, and the person in Tennessee, but somebody else in Florida didn't get it. Somebody else in Tennessee didn't get it. It's the weirdest thing that's going on right now with the Postal Service, but that's not why I'm here. I wanted to show you some of the fun things, and then I'll show you the card that I'm going to make a tutorial on, and I will also show you the box that we did as well. So first things first, I think you've seen, this is the second time I've made this, but it is a little ho-ho-ho, kind of like a little elf box. And then those hold these little Ghirardelli chocolates, right? So we made that, and then we played a game of bingo, and then we made the card, which is going to be featured on the tutorial. Very easy, and I'll show you all the pieces. And then finally we made this little box, and I will show you right now how I made the box, and then I'll do the tutorial on the card for you. Alrighty, so this little box, this is a little diamond ring, and then see that circle from the diamond ring? We cut that out and glued that there. Isn't that cute? This is a die. This little treat box is a die. This is also a die. And then we tied them with ribbon. So we put the silver metallic ribbon through there, and then we tied a little bow. And that's it. Again, this would be great for like a bridal party or even to set on the tables. So if you have anybody who's like expecting a baby, having a birthday party, having a wedding, these little treat boxes are so adorable. Now, I don't know for sure, but I think that they are on sale right now. Of course, it's a going, gone type sale. So once they're gone, they're probably gone forever. But they, it's the little treats bundle. So this is what the class was on. It's the little treat stamp set and then the die set as well. And we used the Stampin' Cut and Emboss for this guy here, this big one. And that big one is what cuts these guys out, right? It just cuts these little guys out. All you have to do is fold everything up. And then if you wanted to make it like this, you're just going to cut one of these little tabs off. And that's what we did. So also in here, so let me show you. This is what makes the little treat box. So very cute, all good and ready to go. And then it comes with all these little pieces. If you could see all of these, guess what? Those little pieces, it can cut out the Santa hat. It'll cut out the ring, not this one, but just a regular ring. It will cut out this little box. What else does it have? Oh, we can cut out all of these words with the die that will cut this, right? You see here, that die right there? And then there's a little tag there as well. There's some ornaments. There is, I think, probably hiding behind here somewhere because I've gone a little crazy. Where is it? If I'm not mistaken, I think the little tag, oh, I hope I didn't lose it. I think the little tags, but I could be wrong. So we've got all of this. That little ornament will fit in there. Here's the little ornament, or that little candy. Here's that little ornament. Super cute. All right, so what I did to make this card, I took the regular 8.5 by 11, cut it right in half, scored it at 4 1/4. So we have a 5.5 by 4 1/4, right? So we've got that. Now see these? They're all the same little stamp, this little guy right there. And then I just did them in different colors. We've got crushed curry. This one was Bermuda Bay. And then this one was melon mambo. Don't those look so cute together? And then the little dots, those are in color dots, just enamel dots. This card was a collaborative. We all kind of got together. Now these classes are on Zoom. So we were like, okay, what color and where should we put the dots and all that kind of stuff. So this card here is a collaborative, and now I'm going to turn it into a tutorial so you can make it as well. And then this is crushed curry back here. So we knew we were going to use crushed curry and crushed curry. Everything else we kind of just came together, but these are the scallop circles, and I want to show you the scallop circle is right in there as well. So it is super cute. It is stitched, very pretty. I'll give you a close-up on the tutorial. So I would definitely check these out if you're interested. You can get that. Let me show you here. I'm just chit-chatting away. Of course, I normally have this on my desk, but you can just go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, or you can go to beautyandthestamper.com. And this is the December host code, so use that. And with the minimum purchase, you can go to the Stampa stack there. And the minimum purchase is $50 to attend the Stampa stack. And then I will also have the supplies for the Stampin' stack if you qualify for that as well. So I will let you know all about that. And, oh, and of course we played bingo. So let me show you what my prizes were for bingo. And let's see, we played multiple games. I think we played five bingo games, and then there were a couple like questions and stuff that I just asked randomly. So we've got this Sweetest Time. That was won by one of the beauties. We've got the Butterfly Gems. That was won by one of the beauties for, I think, for answering a question. Oh, and then she also won these little guys. And let's see. I don't think she knows. She didn't know that she's getting that. I sent that to her. That's just an extra added surprise. Okay, the big winner of the night for our blackout bingo got the Wishes and Wonder stamp set. It's so pretty. And then that came with the dies as well. So, I mean, definitely worth coming to these classes because there are some fun things. This one was won by one of the beauties, Julie. She won twice, so she got the Summer Days stamp set and the chamois. And let's see. We have Katie. Katie didn't win a bingo, but she did get a prize, which was, again, the butterfly gems. We got another beauty who had won more butterfly gems. And then finally, our beauty, Tony, who won the game on stamp set. So, I mean, they're all brand new. I've never used them. So, and they had a chance to swap if they wanted to. I have other basket goodies that they could have swapped for. I don't think anybody swapped. A couple people got to choose their own, but yes, in fact, I think everybody kind of got to choose their own. They did. So, all right, beauties, I am going to upload this now. I'm going to work on this tutorial for you, and hopefully, I mean, it's almost 9 o'clock my time. So I'm going to do my very best to get it before the end of the night for you. So I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next bingo night, Stamp-A-Stack night. I do every month some type of thank you Zoom call where we get together and stamp. And that's what this one was. So, all right, beauties, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Take